The releasing section has the most number of reports. There's the releasing summary for the summary of all sales and purchase returns, sales return summary, receivable transactions, balances, ledger, and SOA for all your receivables per customer, aging of receivables, itemized profit and loss to show you how much you profited on sales per item, and collection summary. In the releasing summary, if you have enabled the sell or release item without item quantity for some items, their costs in the report will be 0, since you haven't received those items yet from the supplier. Once you do receive these items, click on the Reconcile button and the item costs for those released items will be updated, and so will their balances. For the sales report, we have the sales summary found in the releasing section